Hi everyone, this is Joshua Ma from the Asia Private Equity Center. Welcome back to our weekly wrap-up for the week ending 10th of July. This has been an absolute defining week for the region. The headline catching global attention is Bain Capital's staggering $34.7 billion distribution from Kioxia, following their complete exit from the flash memory chip manufacturer. This stands as Asia's single largest distribution ever. It sends a now clear message to global investors. Splendid returns are happening right here in Asia private equity. We also saw major secondary exits across the board. In Australia, 5WE agreed to sell integrated parking solution provider Orica for roughly $329 million. And in India, NIIF offloaded an asset to a consortium of TPG Rise, GIC, and ICICI Bank at $500 million valuation. This week further affirms infrastructure is now a major investment theme. Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Bank just took a stake in New Zealand's Morrison & Co. to broaden its infrastructure reach. Simultaneously, Australian Super announced an Australian $500 million commitment to India's NIIF, the largest commitment to the firm yet. Energy infrastructure is also buzzing. Singapore's Seraya Partners is teaming up with Schneider Electric to launch Faraday Energy, coming right on the heels of KKR's massive $1.3 billion renewable energy partnership with SK Inc. in South Korea. Now, shifting to tech, the story diverges depending on where you look. In China, tech remains firmly the focus. Lockups for 4 listed AI-related companies expired this week, with 0 sellouts and no price drops. In fact, these 4 companies are so confident of the market reception that straight after the lockup had expired, each of them announced their share placements to the tune of $7.9 billion in total. Not a small sum, to be frank. While AI captures the limelight, a new investment in a quantum sensing company suggests China is methodically building out a full quantum computing ecosystem. In India, however, investors are pivoting away from tech and focusing on impact investing and traditional businesses. Suzuki Motors sponsored a $200 million India dedicated impact fund, and Knock Capital is poised to secure $40 million from the IFC. Finally, it hasn't been entirely smooth sailing. The winds of private credit funds redemptions has hit Asian shores. Australia's Longreach Credit had to cap redemption requests for its Australian $500 million private credit fund. Worse, one of its portfolio company, Sand Energy, just entered voluntary administration, one of the very first signs of cracks in Asia's private credit market. Looking at the week ahead, the spotlight turns to Australia. Will Firmus be successful in raising $2 billion as a chorus of investors are voicing their concerns? We will be back next week to break down how that unfolds. Until then, thank you for listening and have a great week ahead. For more insights and the latest industry updates, please visit our website at www.asiape.com.